I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Knorr tomato soup. It's incredibly easy and quick, perfect for a cozy meal that warms you from the inside out. First, gather your Knorr tomato soup mix and 4 cups of water. You'll also need a medium saucepan and a whisk. This simple method ensures a smooth, delicious soup every time, ready in just a few minutes. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Carefully empty the entire contents of the Knorr tomato soup mix, pack it into your medium saucepan. Next, gradually add 4 cups of cold water to the mix. It's important to whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until they are completely combined and smooth. Make sure there are absolutely no lumps remaining for the best texture. With your mixture smooth, it's time to cook. Place the saucepan over medium-high heat and bring the soup to a rolling boil. Remember to stir continuously during this process to prevent sticking and ensure even heating. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer gently for 5 minutes. You'll notice the soup thickening beautifully as it cooks. Your delicious Knorr tomato soup is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the hot soup into your favorite bowl. For an extra touch, consider garnishing it with some fresh herbs like basil or a sprinkle of crunchy croutons. It pairs wonderfully with a classic grilled cheese sandwich. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.